How to download and install the HP Smart app. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to download and install the HP app on your device. So for that case you have to go ahead and open up a browser and make sure that you're connected to an internet service. So now then, to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, go ahead and type in www.support.hp.com/ and this is going to take you to the official web page, which is going to look something like this. When you're actually downloading or installing the HP Smart app, you need to make sure that you have your device's information. So first thing, you can go ahead and select country of your residence, and when you do that, scroll down a bit and go to identify your product for manual and specific product information. So here you need to enter in your serial number or the product number right over here. Then you need to go ahead and select the product. After that, it's going to show you a list of information. Accordingly, follow the prompt, and that's basically how you can go ahead and install or download the HP Smart app. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.